Jamie, we're going to be plucking this one, so no bow. Hi everybody, this is our grade 4 orchestra at Academy Hill School, and it's on December 21st, and we're going to record a couple songs so you can see what progress we're making in our class. I am so proud of all of these wonderful orchestra members. They're absolutely terrific people. So we're going to start off with a song in our books called Rolling Along, and we play it pizzicato. What does pizzicato mean to do, everybody? What? Pluck. To pluck it, yes. So Rolling Along. Here we go, boys and girls. F sharp.
19, Rolling Along.
2 fingers. Read your cello. Ready and go. Wonderful. Get ready for good King Wenceslas. Okay, on good King Wenceslas, you need to have 3 fingers down and make the tunnel, and 4 fingers of your cello, and do your best on good King Wenceslas, boys and girls. Okay, quiet to start.
Good King Wenceslas.
1, 2, 3 G's, go. Wonderful. Turn to Dreidel, please. Okay, here we go. Starting on D, everybody. Do your best.
36, Dreidel.
1, 2, open D. Great. Pick up your bows, please. Okay. First one is open string cycle. If you don't have an instrument and you want to bow along too, you can air bow, okay? So we start on the E string, everybody. This is no fingers. And then we're going to bring in the cellos and violas on the A string, okay? So here's the speed. Listen to me. That's going to be our speed. All set, Ricky? Bow on the string. Take your violin up, put it on your shoulder, Ricky. We're starting on the E string. Ready? No fingers. These fingers go here. Ready? Here we go, boys and girls. Starting on E. 1, 2, violins will start. Cello viola. Wonderful work. Our last song will be Pillow Dance, and you remember it starts on 2 E's, so violas and cellos get E down. I am going to play a little bit of a middle section of pillow dance to make the song happen twice, okay? So we're starting on E, open string for violins, first finger for cello and viola, okay? Get ready. Sing! Wonderful. Cello, stand up. And everybody take a bow. Wonderfully done. Yay. Woohoo. Yay. Way to go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so proud of you. Wonderful. Awesome.